In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email on Outlook. Scheduling emails can be a fantastic tool for efficiently managing your communication, ensuring your message arrives precisely when you intend it to. So let's dive right in and explore how to make this happen using Outlook. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Outlook web address, or simply using the Outlook app if it's installed on your device. Once you are on the Outlook homepage, look towards the upper right hand corner of the screen. Here you'll see the sign in button. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're ready to sign in, enter your email address and your password to log into your Outlook account. If you've got two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step too for added security. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard where you can see your mailbox, calendar, and all other Outlook features. The next step is to create a new email. Look for the New Mail button, usually located near the top left corner of your screen, and click on it. This will open up a new email draft. In the draft, you'll see the familiar fields, recipients, subject, and the main body of the email. Go ahead and write out the email you wish to schedule. Include the recipient's email address, a concise and clear subject, and the message you want to send. With your email message ready, the next task is to schedule it. To do this, find the small drop-down arrow located right next to the Send button. When you click this arrow, you'll see an option labeled Schedule Send. Click on this option to open the Schedule menu. In the Schedule Send menu, you'll be prompted to select a date and time for when you'd like your email to be sent. Be sure to pick a time that suits your recipients, maybe when they're more likely to check their inbox. After choosing your preferred date and time, review your selection to make sure everything looks good. And finally, all that's left to do is hit that Send button. Clicking Send will finalize your scheduled email, and Outlook will take care of the rest, ensuring it's sent at the precise time you specified. And there you have it, you've successfully scheduled an email on Outlook. This feature can really help streamline your email workflow and ensure timely communication. With practice, you'll find that it becomes second nature, enhancing your productivity and efficiency in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy email.